Hello guys, it's William Jumming and I am the developer of a YouTube video bash publisher, and I'm going to record this video to show you how to use this. So if you're already at this page, the only thing you need to do is to click this add to Chrome button. Okay, you click it, it will automatically add the extension to your Chrome browser. This really simple one, right? And of course, normally will hide inside here. So I would like click, okay, this pin, and then it will show outside here. So you can, if you're like a YouTuber like me, you constantly use this feature, you can pin it. Of course, you can just leave it inside, doesn't really matter. I just want to show that it's doable. Okay, so as a YouTuber myself, so for example, I just record some like the widgets tutorial, and normally I would like go with the flow and record a lot of videos, and then upload that to my YouTube channel. And once I update that, I refresh it. You can see we got a tons of drafts. So normally, if you do that by hand, you have to click this edit draft and all that, go through all this process. But luckily, with this helpful plugin extension, sorry about that, you can just click this, right, and publish all drafts. Click here, it will automatically do that for you. As you guys can see, automatically publish the draft or the draft video. As you guys can see, the draft become public. That's it. That's how convenient this plugin is. And so I think in next version I'm going to actually set a menu, and you can choose from the options. So for example, you want to set it private, you want monetize it or something like that. But in order to actually set and test, I have to get my YouTube channel monetized. So yeah, you're more than welcome to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. Okay, thanks so much. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for this. And if you have any feedback, do please leave in the comments, and you're more than welcome to give me a 5 out of 5 stars. Thank you so much for your time, and peace.